Porsha.Marie here. Welcome back to my channel, and we're back with another makeup tutorial. So let's get into it. We're going to prime the eyes with the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer in Deep Olive. Just place this all over the lid. And we're going to blend it out. Just blend it out evenly. Okay, that's good. We're going to go in with the Morphe 35S palette. And let's see. We're going to go in with Secret Lagoon. It's this color. You might have to pat it on to get the color payoff and then blend it out. Now we're going to go in with another brush. Oh, I'm looking crazy, y'all. We're going to go with another brush and we're going to go into Infinity Pool to just blend this out the top. We're going back in with that first color. Now we're going to go in with Coastline Cruise. Kind of like a fluffy brush to go in with it. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. And that was just like 3 colors, y'all. Look at that. So you need a crease color, a color to blend out with, and maybe a matte color if you want to, or a sparkly color on your lids. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. We're going to close it in with that first color on that outer V. We're going to get a wipe and just clean up our eyes. Go up. Go in with some liner. This is the NYX Epic Liner in black. We can go in with some mascara. I got the Morphe mascara. La Flare Mink NY52 3D Mink. Okay, we're gonna go in with the Milani Supercharged Primer. I have dry skin, and sometimes I like to double prime. So we're gonna go in with this primer. Because we are using a matte foundation today. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer. Smells so good. Okay, while that's drying, we're gonna go in with the Milani foundation. I have shade 480 Spice Toffee. This foundation is full coverage. I'm gonna blend this out. It's medium to full. It's full coverage. You build it up. But you can build it up beautifully. Milani Concealer and Perfect. We're gonna go in with 165. I like my coverage like in the middle of my face. That's why I always do it like this. I don't know why with this concealer I always like to go right here. We're gonna let this sit. This dries fast, so we don't need to let it sit for too long. Okay, I have a new product. It's the Soul Body in Deep. And it's a bronzing balm. Should I use this side or this side? Let's start with the small side. That's a good color. It's a good color for me. And go down our nose. Come on. This smells so good. It smells like coconut. And if you know how to blend, you shouldn't be afraid using bronzing or contour. It's just all about if you know how to blend or not. And if you're using something too dark, you know. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna go in with our Laura Mercier and Honey. I love using microfiber sponges for powder. I always do a little bit off and look up where you won't set any creases. You're gonna put your powder everywhere. You highlight it. Everywhere you put your concealer, that's where you're gonna put your powder. And if you're dry like me, it's best for you to press it in, then let it bake. Okay, now we're gonna go in with Fenty Beauty. We're gonna bronze. I guess I'll do the nose first. We're bringing some color back into the face. All that powder, it can wash you out. Bringing our natural shadows. Okay. Now we're gonna go in with our blush and Always Spicy.
This one's really pretty on Woman of Color. They have other colors.
We're gonna set the face using Morphe and Benefit. This is a new one. That's matte. So we're gonna go in with the luminous first. Then we're gonna go in with the Professional. We're gonna go in with our Morphe lip liner and Trendsetter. Press those lips together. NYX Soft Matte in London. Go in and do our mauves with the Wet n Wild lip lock, with the Wet n Wild. We're gonna go in with our Baked highlighter in 140, Bronze Splendor in Milani. Oh my goodness. If anything, if y'all like to highlight, at least highlight y'all nose and right here. It just does something. We're gonna go back into the palette. I wouldn't do this, but We can be extra today. We're gonna go in with this color right here. And go. I suggest you not doing that if your eyes are sensitive, because mine are sensitive and they can water really, really fast. We're gonna go in with the Milk Kush mascara, and we're gonna ever so lightly put mascara down here. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you for watching my video. If you would like, comment, and subscribe, there'll be more videos to come. Bye.